quick. Quick, quick. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. No, quick, slow. Nope. You have to keep doing the same foot. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Quick, quick, slow. Okay, then we can do the 6 count underarm turn.
We'll do all these outtakes.
Then we can do the 6 count. No, take them out. Okay. Okay. Okay, alright. Okay, we can quick, quick, slow. Jeff. Okay, that's good. That was bad anyway.
Well, wait, when you turn,
Side, close. Up backwards and side, close. Close, stop. Side, close. I even tapped.
you went. I was going to do that, and then you went like that, and I thought, oh, that's going to be wrong.
Oh, shoot. This is not an easy step. You might take a lot of times getting this one right. Okay. Finally, we're gonna do the 6 count underarm turn. We have slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick. That's one more time. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Oh man. And finally, shit.
I can take that from the time you said before.
Isn't it easy for you to have a one clean cut video?
Yeah.
Oh, one more time.
I can put it together any way I want. Look at this one. All 3 of them are recording. So whenever you look at this one, I'll switch to this view.
Oh, I never looked at that one. I should say that the timing changed.
That when?
From slow, slow, quick, quick to slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick.
We just did a timing change thing?
No,
Wow.
I know.
Should we let them know that?
No.
And put that in there?
No.
That video.
Nobody wants to see that.
Yes, they do.
They don't.